Good morning to one all. Today I would like to start the lesson The Adventures of Toto. It's written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in India. He's an Indian author of British descent. He was born on 19th May 1934. He lives with his adopted family in Landore, Mussoorie, India, which is now in Uttarakhand. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Academic Award in 92 for the greatest book, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, his novel in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. He is a famous short story writer. So, this lesson is taken from Monkey Trouble and Other Grandfather Stories. Okay, so look at this is none other than a monkey named Toto. Okay, let us see whether he is naughty or not. Let's find out in this lesson. Okay, this is a humorous and adventurous story of a naughty monkey. The writers means Ruskin Bond's grandfather, when he was small boy, bought the monkey from a Tonga driver. The pranks played by Toto have been narrated in an interesting manner and make the story a must read for us. Okay. So, Ruskin Bond's grandfather was an animal lover. He would buy many animals and he would make a private zoo. His house had a private zoo. Okay. One day he was on his way. On his way, he saw a Tonga driver carrying a monkey. Okay. The Tonga driver was about to sell this monkey. The monkey was tied to a water trough and some food was there. So the grandfather was fascinated to this monkey. He wanted to buy. So he asked the Tonga driver to sell him. Then the Tonga driver agreed for selling this monkey for 5 rupees. The monkey was very mischievous in grandfather's house. It would climb, okay, it would hang on the branches of the tree and would take the delicacies of the good food items from the vendors. Sometimes it would trouble the Anglo-Indian women. Okay. The monkey which was brought was kept as a secret because grandmother did not like. Grandfather decided that whenever his wife was in good mood, he would tell about it. Okay. So the monkey was tied in a cupboard. Okay. Uh, in Ruskin Bond's house. Then what happened? After 1 or 2 hours, they came and saw the condition of this room. Monkey had torn all these things, and monkey had torn the blazer of Ruskin Bond. Later, the monkey was shifted to zoo. At that time, grandmother came to know that a monkey was brought. Okay. So, grandmother was in good mood, but grandmother did not say. So, monkey was brought to the private zoo. There at night, it troubled every animal, whoever was there. Okay. So, it did not make them sleep. Later, grandfather wanted to go from Saharanpur to Dehradun to collect his pension amount. So he thought that this monkey could be taken by him as it was not safe to leave this monkey with a private zoo. So he brought a canvas bag and put the monkey and went towards the railway station. He put the flap properly. When ticket collector was present before the grandfather. Grandfather showed his ticket. At that time, the monkey took out his head from this bag and laughed at the TT. Then the TT got suspect, and TT did not see whether it was monkey or dog, etc. The TT decided to collect some money of 4 rupees. Grandfather got angry for smaller monkey. He charged 4 rupees. So he got angry and showed one tortoise and asked to ask the TT to how to take how much. So the TT did not take and laughed and went. Later, the monkey was shifted to the stable of donkey. Donkey's name was Nana. Okay. The donkey and monkey did not like each other. The donkey troubled a lot the monkey. Then grandfather came to know that monkey was in trouble, so monkey to be shifted. Then then grandfather came and hit his back. I mean Nana's back. Okay. And left. In another incident, there came the winter. Winter season it was very severe in Uttarakhand. That's why there was a water tub provided for him, for the monkey, and some warm water was provided. Monkey had to bathe with the warm water by by applying his soap, and it would spend more time. Okay, it would check whether the water was warm or not. Okay, so sometimes whether the water was not warm, he would come to nearby the fire to stoke himself. And whenever someone would laugh at him in such situation, the monkey would get angry, and the monkey would not tolerate this behavior. Okay, one day the grandmother had to prepare tea. So she hit the water. She heated the water. At that time, grandmother went somewhere. Then monkey came slowly and checked the water. The water was not at all warm. So again and again, now and then, the monkey was checking whether warm or not. So it was jumping into the water and coming outside. Finally, what happened? The monkey was inside the water. At that time, what happened? The water became very hot, and the monkey was half boiled. So it cried a lot. Then grandma came and rescued him, though she didn't like the monkey. Okay. In another incident, this naughty monkey, okay, so in the dining table there were some there were some food items. The monkey got fascinated with the pulao plate, and seeing the pulao plate, monkey took it to his arm and tried to go to a jackfruit tree. On the way, everybody came and shouted. So grandfather, auntie, uncle, everybody came and shouted, but monkey did not listen. Finally, monkey was in the jackfruit tree. Monkey got angry with the grandmother because grandmother shouted at a time. So while eating, okay, almost all he finished, and he tried to throw this plate to grandmother, but plate did not hit the grandmother, and it fell down and it cracked. Okay. So, like this, many mischievous things he did. So, grandfather could not tolerate all the such things. Okay. Because there were frequent losses of dishes, clothes, curtains, and wallpaper because of this monkey. So, grandfather wanted to dispose of it again to its owner. So, one day he saw the Tonga driver, he was coming, then he sold it back it for 3 rupees. Finally, the grandfather and Ruskin Bond got rid of this monkey from the frequent losses. Thank you for watching this video.